Alright, so this is a restaurant I haven't tried. It's called Sheesh Kitchen. And this is their fries called Sheesh Kitchen. So, I think you got the same thing that I got. Anyway, see what's I just got like a chicken shawarma bowl. They had a shawarma wrap, but then there it is. Sheesh, they had a chicken shawarma wrap, but then they put fries on the inside. I don't like the way that sounded. Now I'm gonna eat this later tonight when the anime shows come. A new anime show is coming on Adult Swim tonight. So I'll eat these later. But I might go ahead and taste the fry. Yeah, that's what it looks like. In fact, I'll take this one. So there you go. That's what it looks like. I think there's rice on the bottom. But I'll eat it later. There it is. It smells good. But yeah, I'm gonna eat this later. There you go. Again, it's not gonna be a long video. Just gonna tell you what I think about the food. So I'm not really a fried person right now. Obviously, they're cold because everything's far away from here. So there's a DoorDash that came in. Let me taste it. It's fire. Doesn't taste like salty, so that's good. The fries remind me of McDonald's fries I used to eat years ago when I was a kid, except like without. I don't eat McDonald's anymore. But that's what it just tastes like potatoes, right, with less salt. Right. So obviously this is the main course, but like I said, I'm not eating that until later. So, but I think there is rice here. Look, see that? There's rice on the bottom. Potentially you could eat this cold, but I'm gonna warm mine up later. I wonder if I can microwave this bowl. Potentially. Not that I use a microwave often. Anyway, I'll eat it later tonight, and then I'll... Or maybe I'll just take a small bite right now. Tell you what I think. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna take a tiny little bite here. With the rice and chicken. Let's see. Let's tell you what I think. Tiny little bite. Good. Getting everything sort of cold. I don't know if it's supposed to be warmed or not. It probably is. It's good. Yeah, it'll definitely make for a good snack tonight. Watching the shows, so I like it. Again, this is Greek, Mediterranean, so it's not like super salty, which I need since I can't eat high salt diets anyway. High blood pressure and everything. So doesn't taste like salty. That's good. Yeah, man. I might have to stop by here more often sometime. I can't right now. I don't have the transportation or anything. But I give it, I don't know. I'll probably end the video here. I'll give it, I mean, this is based on this bowl. Like the bowl itself, 6.5 to 7 out of 10. Like it's good. It's like nothing amazing, but I'll warm it up later. Right, you see everything here. You got the rice, onions, tomatoes, you know, you got lettuce, parsley. I don't know what the sauce is, but I mean, that's it. Nothing too crazy, but it's good. That's what I rate it. It's called Sheesh. So it's one of these restaurants where if you need something pretty fast to go, right? They have like a whole salad bar. Now, I haven't seen the inside, but I saw pictures online. Anyway, that's it for this. Nothing crazy. And there's sauce here. I haven't tested. But for now, Thanks for watching. Alright, so let me get my final thoughts here. So I tried this sauce. I don't know what this sauce is. For me, it sort of just tastes like olive oil. That's what I got out of it. Maybe I'm sure there's garlic in it too. They have lots of garlic sauces, lots of garlic in the sauce. So I will take a picture of the screen right here and show you what I'm talking about. So yeah, that's a picture of the sauces there. This one it has a reddish tint. None of the sauces that I see on the website here have, I'm just looking, none of them have like a reddish or brown tint based on what I'm seeing. So I don't know what the sauce is. If anyone knows, let me know. For me, it just sort of tastes like olive oil. Again, it's a low sodium. I'm so used to, not that I eat out often, but I'm used to, Japanese fried rice or Mexican rice. So I'm still getting adjusted to any Mediterranean Greek style food. I'm used to all the unfortunate, the food with the more salt in it. It's unfortunate because I don't even put salt in my food. Again, I have high blood pressure. I haven't put salt in my food since 2008. But yeah, that sauce it didn't really have any taste other than olive oil, and you can see the green sort of. It didn't really have any taste other than olive oil, in my opinion. Again, overall, I don't know. I gave it between a 6 and the 7 overall. The food that I ate, I don't really know what to say. It wasn't anything amazing. I could definitely see it being something that can be eaten, just quickly. Really, not even quickly. That was a full plate of food for that bowl. So you could eat like half of that for lunchtime and then take the rest of it later. But then, is it a full dinner later? If you eat half of it. So I don't really know. Yeah, it seems, I don't know. I don't know what to think about that in terms of the size of it. They give you a lot. That's good. But then it's like, is that a full dinner? Anyway, that's all I wanted to say. So I give between a 6 and a 7. I don't really know. But this Blue Lock show is coming on here. So I don't really know what to say. That's my rating for it. I just had some last minute thoughts there on it. But if anyone knows what that sauce is, let me know if you see this. So just sort of tastes like olive oil. Again, the fries were like a healthy version of McDonald's fries. That's what without salt. That's what it tasted like. So you're expecting like some extremely tasty, American style food with a bunch of salt. That's not what this is. It definitely tasted more healthy overall. And one last thing, it did not make me choke or cough, so that's good. Usually when I eat this type of food, I'll be gagging for air, literally. But that didn't happen this time. But that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you.